Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process for signing in into the ESPN account of yours. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get up to date. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using in. Then go to the new tab and you search in for a www.espn.com and press enter. Here at the official web page of ESPN, you can see the profile icon on top right side of your screen. You click on it. There you are given the option of login. You need to click on login. Here you will see login form page where first of all you need to provide your username or the registered email address. Then go in for providing your password of the ESPN account. After providing both the details, you need to simply click on login. And with that, you will get simply login into your ESPN account. Hope this video is truthful for you all on how you can get signed in into the ESPN account of yours. Thank